In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Outlook emails. If you want to save an important email from Outlook for your records, offline access, or future reference, this process is quick and very easy to do. Backing up an email can be useful when you need to keep a copy of a message outside of your inbox, especially if it contains important details, attachments, or information you may need later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple way to download a copy of an email directly from Outlook. To begin, open Outlook and go to your mailbox. Find the email you want to back up, then open that message so it appears fully on your screen. Make sure you are opening the specific email you want to save, because the download option will apply to the message you currently have selected. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right email can help avoid saving the wrong one by mistake. Once the email is open, look toward the top area of the message window for the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it contains additional actions for that email. Click on the three dots to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, just scan the toolbar around the message, since its exact position can vary slightly depending on the version of Outlook you're using. After the menu opens, look for the download option and click it. This will save a copy of the email to your device. Depending on your browser or settings, the email may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick a folder that's easy to remember so you can find the backup later without any confusion. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to check that the file was saved successfully. Open your downloads folder or the location you selected and confirm that the email file is there. Keeping your backups organized in a dedicated folder can make things much easier, especially if you plan to save multiple messages over time. And that's it. That's how to back up Outlook emails by opening the message, clicking the three-dot menu, and selecting download. It's a simple method that can help you keep important emails safely stored whenever you need them.